Oh my god. My heart was fucking racing. I don't even know why it was racing that much. Holy fuck. That was out of fucking nowhere. Oh wow. Well, I did that in one day. That's impressive as fuck. It probably took me like 1,000 attempts to just do this run, but not so worth it. And I'm pretty good at the second cube now too, so it's pretty good. 7,000 attempts. What the fuck? Like, I don't understand it. Oh, come on. Come on, come on, come on. Holy shit. Whoa! What the fuck? Holy shit, okay. That's pretty good. I flipped like everything after 29. Oh my god. My heart, dude. Holy shit. God damn.